Welcome back to Garden of Treats, brought to you by the Love Always Foundation. Today we are unboxing our Let Us Grow tower. So we have the base is here. This is the farm stand. We have an extension kit because we have the biggest one. It comes in different sizes, but we got the one that can hold 36 plants. And then this is the ring lights. Since we have an indoor stand, there is an outdoor version of this as well though. So stay tuned as we put together our Let Us Grow tower. So the lights are on, the pump is running, everything works. So now all we have to do is put the water in and set the timers, put the ceilings in, and we'll be set to go. So here is the timer. So there's one for the water and one for the lights. It's pretty easy to set up once you look at the example and the instructions. Now it's time to fill up the tank. So we got our garden hose and we're about to fill it up.
Me and Marley are about to go turn on this hose to lighten up and water up that garden tower. You ready? Let's go.
So we have to add nutrients to the water. So the first part is for strong leaves, growth of leaves and strong roots. And so full transparency of what's in here. There is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, boron, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, and zinc. So yeah, this is the first part. And then there are some more nutrients for calcium uptake and strong leaf growth. And this in here is just calcium and nitrogen. So now we're going to put all of our plants inside the grow cups and put them in the tower. So let's show you what we have. We have some butter lettuce, parsley, strawberries, spearmint, more strawberries. We have some chamomile, some more lettuce. We have some bok choy and more mint and parsley. So let's get started. Here's the finished product. It's pretty cool. You can hear the water. It kind of sounds like a waterfall. So that's all we have for you today. Thank you for stopping by the Garden of Treats. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.